Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another motif for you. You can use any kind of color you like, or you can make it with one color. But I'm going to start by make the same color for you. What you have to do, you can start by make a magic loops, or if you don't want, you can, based on the size of yarn, you can start by 4 or 5 chain, then join it together, and we start by chain 4, 3 as a double crochet, 1 as a separation. Then we are going to start to make double crochet in the loops and 1 chain. We repeat again by making 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and we keep continue this one until we have 8 double crochet. As you can see here, I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time to join the job like that. Then I come in the first loops and make a slip knot, make a slip stitch. Now it's time to start by chain 3, and in the same loops I'm going to make 7 double crochet. Again, it's really up the yarn you are going to use. You can make more or less double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have to do for the next one, we are going to insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. We go to the next loops and repeat by make 7 double crochet, and again for the next loop we are going to make only 1 single crochet. We are going to repeat this one until the end of the row by make 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and repeat like that. I already finished that row. As you can see, the pattern looks like a square. When you make 1 single crochet in the last one, just insert the hook here and make 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, and this is time to cut the color and change new to the new yarn. Or as I told you, you can keep continue with the same color. Always it's better to cover the extra yarn between the one we already made to make a nice box. Like that. Now it's time to change the color. What we have to do, I'm going to start by making 1 slip knot like that, and here between these two I'm going to insert my hook, take the new yarn and start by chain 3 as a 1 double crochet, chain 2 as a separation in the same space, I'm going to make another double crochet, 2 chain, again another double crochet, 2 chain, and 1 more. As you can see here, I have 4 double crochet and 3 loops here. Now we are in this part, we are going to make chain 4, and when it comes to the next single crochet, we are going to make double crochet, 2 chain, and we repeat for 4 times. Like that. When it comes to the corner, chain 4, and then we repeat here, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, and double crochet. Like that. We're going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. At the end of this row, when you make 4 chain, just you have to join the jobs together like that, and the rows looks like this. Now insert the hook in the first loop and start by make 3 chain, and like row 1, we are going to make 7 double crochet in these loops. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for the next loop, we make a single crochet. Again, we repeat by make 7 double crochet. When it comes to that part, we insert the hook in the 5th one and take this one also together, make 1 single crochet like this. Then when it comes to the next part, we start again by making 7 double crochet. Then for the next one, 1 single crochet. As you can see here now on the corner, I should have 2 part of this. Here again make 7 double crochet, and the next is going to be repeat the pattern. I'm going to finish this row and I'll be back. I already finished this row. As you can see here, again on the corner I have 2 double crochet like this. Now it's time to change the color. What I have to do after 1 single crochet, I insert my hook and make a slip knot, 1 chain, and I'm going to cut the yarn. As I told you, you can just cover extra yarn. And cut it like this. Now I'm going to use the new color again by making one slip knot, and here in the middle of these two I insert my hook, take the new yarn and start by make again like a V shape. I'm going to make 3 chain as a 1 double crochet, 2 chain as a separation. In the same space I make again 1 double crochet, so I have the first V shape here. When it comes to the corner, I'm going to chain 4. Now we are here in the middle of this. What we have to do, we are going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and 1 double crochet, because it's going to be repeat to the corner like that. Then again chain 4. When it comes in middle between these two corners, we are going to make a 1 V shape by make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, like that. Chain 4. In the corner we are going to repeat like this. Just maybe let me make one more for you. The pattern should look like that. In the corner you are going to have 4, in the middle only 2, and you are going to repeat until the end of the row. As you can see here, I already finished this row. Now it's time to join the job together by making 1 slip knot, come to that loops and make 1 slip stitch. For this row, what we have to do, we are going to start by make 3 chain, and here between this V shape we make 6 double crochet, because we are going to have 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, like this. Now we are going to cover the chain with this one. We are going to insert the hook between the fifth one and take this and make 1 single crochet, like that. When it comes to the corner, we are going to repeat again by, in the first loop we make 7 double crochet, like that. When it comes to the next loop, just make only 1 single crochet. The next loops we make again 7 double crochet, in this part again we make 1 single crochet, take this chain together and make 1 single crochet, like this. As you can see in the corner, again you have two of 7 double crochet. In the middle also you are going to have, because we are going to increase the job. Now I'm in the middle like this. I make only 7 double crochet. Like this. So I'm going to keep continue the pattern like this until the end of the row, and I'll be back. As you can see here, this row is also finished like that. In the corner you have 2, in the middle you have 1. So for my case is going to be finished by insert the hook here and make a slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut the yarn. But if you want to make a bigger motif, you can keep continue or change the color, but be careful next time. You have to make 2 V-shape. One is here, one is here, and on the corner like the row, the last row, 4 of these to keep continue. But if you need to stop the job for now, it's almost done. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.